Hello everyone, welcome to Sanam's Kitchen. Today's recipe is eggplant and potato curry. You will find this delicacy in every traditional Gujarati wedding or functions, and it tastes great with puri. So before we begin the recipe, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start with dicing up the eggplant and potato just like this in a big cubes, and we wanted to put this in the water so that they don't get oxidized. Now heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan. When oil is hot, add 1 whole red chili, add mustard seeds and cumin seeds and let them crack. Add asafoetida or hing, and we wanted to add eggplants. Now add turmeric powder and fry for a minute. Now I'm adding green chilies as per taste and ginger garlic paste. Stir well and add diced potatoes. Mix really well. Here I have crushed roasted peanuts, about 1/4 cup. This is the key ingredient to this recipe. Along with it, add Kashmiri red chili powder and garam masala and mix well. The Kashmiri red chili powder will give a nice beautiful color. It's not that spicy, but it adds beautiful color. Now add 2 cups of water and jaggery or gur, or you can also use sugar, and salt as per taste. Mix it really well, and when it comes to a boil, we are going to cover it and let it simmer for 5 minutes on a medium heat. Now let's check. After 5 minutes, it's halfway cooked. At this point, we wanted to add diced tomatoes. Now cover it and let it simmer for 10 more minutes. Now after 10 minutes, as you can see, the water has reduced and the eggplant is completely mushy and melted, and the potatoes are also very soft. So when you press it with a spoon, it should be like this. This is how we want. So the starch from the potatoes have thickened the gravy. So our curry is ready. Now let's take it out in a serving bowl. So take it out in a serving bowl and garnish with some fresh coriander. This makes it more beautiful, and you can serve this with puri and Gujarati tur dal. This is my favorite meal, and enjoy it. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time with some easy recipes. Till then, bye bye.